Hello and welcome to SUNYCobyNews for the spring 2025 semester. I'm Emma Mercilliott. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. This Saturday, the women's basketball team is facing Maine Maritime in the NAC Championship. Last year, the women's basketball team traveled to Maine for their division championship game versus Maine Maritime Academy, but were defeated. With an undefeated season, home court advantage, and the title of West Division Championship for the second season in a row, the women's basketball team is preparing to take the season home with the NAC Championship title. Women's basketball captain Logan Thane has a message for supporters and fans.
That we've been preparing for this game since we lost last year to Maine Maritime, and to have the home court advantage, we need everyone there to help us with this win. We've been preparing every day in practice, going at each other. Those are our harder than games, is how we compete in practice.
The championship game will be right here at SUNY Cobleskill this Saturday at 1 o'clock. Logan Thane was named NAC Player of the Year and is currently tied for first in the nation with 24 double-doubles and 13 consecutive games within one. For more details, visit www.fightingtigers.edu. Spring is almost here and we're already starting to feel it in Cobleskill with warmer temperatures moving in. The snow from the winter is beginning to melt. While there is a sign of change of season, it also means we need to keep an eye on water levels, especially in the Cobleskill Creek. Cobleskill is no stranger to floods. Back in 2011, the village of Cobleskill experienced historical flood levels. Campus saw flooding due to the rising level in the Cobleskill Creek behind campus. Dorms and parking lots were affected in this flood, causing displacement for students living in these dorms. The flood also affected residents in the village as well. Even with minor flooding like you're seeing in this file footage, trouble can occur. As we watch the weather and water levels, residents of Schoharie County can find flood information and resources at www.schoharie.ny.gov. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
Awkward. I'm the awkward silence. You try to avoid me, then there I am again.
But an awkward silence can be a great thing.
Like Kelly here is about to demonstrate.
You haven't really been yourself lately. Are you okay?
Find out how you can help a friend with their mental health at seizetheawkward.org.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're doing right now here on SUNY Coby News. Welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Emma Mercilliott.
And I'm Jason Wiltey for SUNY Coby Weather. How's it going today, Emma?
It's going good. How's that weather going?
Pretty good. It's definitely weird weather for this time of year around here. I'm enjoying it so far. How about you?
Oh, I'm enjoying it. Got to wear a sweatshirt for the past 2 days, and then it rained last night and snowed. Wild.
Yeah. Honestly, the rain is the problem. We're going to have to see a lot of that when the weather gets warmer around this time of year. So let's go ahead and take a look at our forecast for the week. Our current conditions, we've got 45 with a few showers. It's seasonably mild. You know, it's pretty nice for this time of year, a little warmer than what we're used to seeing. Depends on the weather, if we're going to have rain or snow, so you got to look out for that. We're going to have some a low of 28 coming up for tonight. Cloudy with winds around 10 to 12 miles an hour. So a little windy, a little cold. That's typical. Tomorrow we're looking at 31, still kind of warm for around here with some clouds. Some flurries are possible. We're getting back into the normal territory there for Cobleskill. Some colder weather's a lot of precipitation, you never know. And for Saturday we're going to have 38, so morning showers, again a lot of rain, and it's going to be pretty breezy, a lot of wind that day. We're going to have a lot of different things happening this week. Looking at the weather, it's going to change up a lot, and we're going to see some different things, especially coming into Sunday when it's going to be much, much colder. It's going to be around 17, partly cloudy. We'll probably have some different precipitation, snow if it happens. Depends. We'll see what we're working with, upstate New York weather. You never know what we're getting. And looking ahead, we're going to have our rest of our week looking pretty standard. First, we're going to have 43 and 35, partly cloudy on Monday. Tuesday, we're going to have a high of 40, low of 22, mostly cloudy. Wednesday's looking warmer again, high of 51, low of 37 with showers. The rain's coming back. Thursday's got a high of 40 with a low of 22. Some rain, some snow in the afternoon and night. And Friday, looking at a high of 30 and a low of 24, mostly cloudy that day.
Thanks, Jason, for that weather update. We'll be back with more messages and more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNYCobyNews, live from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
Today I'm going to talk to you about physics. Come on in, girls. Let's go. This is the first rocket to get humans to Mars. Really tall. I'm a rocket structural engineer, designing and building parts of the rocket. You are the generation that will be stepping foot on Mars. Do I have a group of astronauts on my hands? Yes. You can become a rocket scientist or whatever else you want to be.
Hello and welcome back to SUNYCobyNews. I'm Emma Mercilliott. Thanks for joining us. Here's a list of things going on this week at SUNY Cobleskill. Friday, February 28th at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., we have Waffle Night at Lower Brickyard Point. Saturday, March 1st, Paint and Sip from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. in Lower Brickyard Point. Monday, March 3rd is International Women's Day from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. in Bauk Lobby. And Tuesday, March 4th, comedian Aurora sings from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. in Bauk Theater. For more information about campus events around campus, make sure to check out Coby Engage and the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNYCobyNews, live from SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Emma Mercilliott. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. You can also find the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Following the hashtag SUNYCobyCom will also help you stay up to date on all things comm here at SUNY Cobleskill. Be sure to check out recent additions to the YouTube channel, including previous presentations of SUNYCobyNews, along with Chris Parlato's things happening around campus you probably didn't know about. That's it for this edition of SUNYCobyNews. I'm Emma Mercilliott. We'll see you next time.